The plant behind me is Cunjevoi, common name, botanically known as Alocasia bisbanensis. It's favoured by landscape architects, designers, landscapers, councils, because it ticks the box for environmental native plants local to the area. It can tolerate wet soils and harsh soils. It's used for revegetation projects. It's also a pretty plant for a domestic landscape. These elephant ear leaves are absolutely beautiful. And one of the iconic things with this plant is, have a look where the leaf petiole joins the lamina. It makes a very distinctive V at this shape. And that's one of the features that you can use to identify the difference between Alocasia bisbanensis and Alocasia mycorrhiza, two different species, both in Australia, but different leaf shapes, different structures, different sun tolerance as well. The bisbanensis does best in part shade and hard and heavy shade, whereas mycorrhiza will tolerate far more sun, and it's worthwhile remembering those two key points. There's also a note that this is the remedy in case you rub up against the stinging nettle tree. Now, I have not tested that to prove it works, but that is the saying. The other thing is that it is regarded as one of those poisonous plants, so you don't really want to get the sap on you. You might get an allergic reaction, which contradicts the stinging nettle remedy. The other thing is, do not eat or suck or get the sap in your mouth or on exposed cuts on the skin. Not good. But this is a very nice ornamental plant. It is tough, it is resilient. Grow it in the right conditions, it is a beautiful plant. And that's my garden tip for today. And by the way, it will get a few caterpillars. You may need to control it, or in most cases here in Australia, we just ignore that because the plant will recuperate and grow back without too much of a worry. You might lose a few leaves. It may not look too good for a short period, but it will grow back. And that's your garden tip for Paul Plant Horticulture for today. Another tip will come tomorrow.